Parents, the next video that I would like to share regarding the mindful exercises, the video about some colors. So you share these colors. I have chosen these colors, but you can choose any colors and you can write them in any order, and you can keep them on an index card, or you can choose a different paper or a whiteboard, whatever you would like to use. And you can give this activity to the kids. You can give them 2 minutes to remember this order in which the colors are written. So, like red, indigo, blue, green, orange, violet, purple, yellow, pink, teal, brown. And you give them 2 minutes to memorize this order in which it's written, and then you're going to tell them to recite these colors in the order that it's written. As I said, you can choose any colors you want and you can choose them in any order you want. So, what it does is that it forces the child to remember the colors in the same order. They can either visualize these colors in their mind, or they could just remember these words in their mind, like as it is written, red, red, indigo, blue. They can visualize it as it is written, or they can visualize them as colors in their mind, and they can remember like that. However, they can also use a different pattern to remember. Like, for example, they can just make it a shortcut. RibGov, PYPTB. So if they remember that order, like RibGov, PYPTB, they can then say, okay, rib means it starts with R. So red, indigo, B for the blue, gov, so green, orange, violet, then PYP. So they had a purple first, then Y yellow, then P pink, then they had a TB, teal, and then brown. So that pattern, remembering that pattern also can help them remember these colors. So this is a way, again, to make sure that they focus. So we are giving them only 2 minutes. Make sure they focus, make sure they remember, and they can choose which pattern they would like to remember. The easiest way is for their mind to train a pattern that they want to train their mind to remember this. Like, for example, like how I'm just giving an example in this case, I chose RibGov and PYPTB. So I know that it starts with the first color, it starts with a R, and I know that it was red, and then it follows that order. So I just chose this pattern. Your child can choose any format they want to remember. You give them 2 minutes, and then you see how well they do. And you can choose any colors you want. And they can train their mind to remember these colors in the order that they want to, in the way that they will remember. All right. Thank you.